Hey YouTube, welcome to yet another video of Angular, and today I'll be showing you how you can directly download video files and music files from YouTube without going through hassles of copying the YouTube URL videos URLs and copy and pasting it through different downloader sites. So this one is completely free. It's fast, secure, and the most important thing is you can have that download button right into the video tab that you are watching, and you can download it. To do that, first I'll go through a normal video that you see on YouTube. So I'll go through no copyright music for now. So let me choose a song. Let me like this. Yep. So for now there is like no download buttons here, and this is the normal YouTube settings that you have. So in order to have the download button, you need to go through the uh, Google Chrome Web Store. So you can go it directly by searching it on Google. Go through this link on the Chrome Web Store, search for an extension named CrossPilot. So after that, this is the one that we're looking for, and you need to add this on Chrome, add extension. Yeah, this is the overview of CrossPilot. If you want to go through it, you can go it. And after that, you need to search for YouTube video downloader CrossPilot. So this one. So after that, you need to click on install via CrossPilot. So it's downloading. After that, you need to grant permissions, allow. Just a normal congratulations page here. So after that, you can close all the tabs. So this is the normal settings you have after reading the page. You can see a download button here, and you can configure different options here, like you can download this video on MP4 480p, MP4 720p, MP4 180p, and MP4 360p, and you can also convert that to MP3 files. So just I'll just download a 480p right now. It has started download, and let me download an MP3 file as well. Download. So it's downloading. So in CrossPilot, you can go to more extensions, CrossPilot details, and so yeah, there are different settings for the YouTube video downloader in here. So you can choose whatever is feasible for you. You can just choose the options you want. Um, there are like different options for YouTube here. You can like the controls you need for the YouTube. So I'm just waiting it for to download, just to show you guys. Yep, the mp3 file has been downloaded. So you can see this is the mp3 file. This is the mp3 file that we have downloaded right from the YouTube. And I don't know why it's taking so long for it to download today, but it's quite fast. I think my internet is like running slow today, but it's fast. Yeah. So yeah, guys, it's completely free, and this will probably save you time, as you don't have to go through different sites and hassle around it, going through like copying YouTube links, pasting here and there, and downloading it. So the button is like the download button, it's right on a YouTube video. So yeah. Oh, 71. Wow. Yep. Yeah. This is the music video file that I've just downloaded. Sorry, like it's I don't know why it's been so slow today, but it's usually fast. Yeah, I think my internet is running slow. So yeah, you got the point. So now you can download any videos and music directly from the YouTube. So thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe if you feel like it. And thank you. We'll be seeing you on next video. Thank you. Bye.